Hey everyone, I'm Bets White. In this video, I'm going to show you my new llama lassos and how to use them with my Llama Luma pom-pom maker. I came up with this idea when people asked me what was the best way to tie a pom-pom really tightly. Normally, when using the Llama Luma, you'll have a piece of yarn for the tie wrapped around the llama. When using the Llama Lasso, you'll skip this step. Let's get started making a pom-pom. I want to make a pom-pom that will hang from a zipper pull like this one. I'm going to use a little jump ring and a lanyard clip with the lasso. I clip them together and I'll slide them onto the lasso. Now I'll wrap the yarn around the Llama Luma. This is a worsted weight yarn, so I'm going to wrap it about 100 times. Next, I'll slide the lasso in between the llama and the yarn, and then around the bundle. Then I'll poke the end through the little box at the end of the lasso. Then pull it snug and slide it off the Llama Luma. Then you can pull it even tighter. There's no way this is loosening up. With scissors, cut the end of the lasso off. Then cut the loops of the pom-pom. Holding it by the clip, trim and shape the pom-pom. Keep trimming and turning the pom-pom until it's the shape you want. There! Now it's finished and ready to clip anywhere. Llama lassos come in a set of 20, 10 clear and 10 in a rainbow of colors. Also included are 10 jump rings, 10 lanyard clips, and a key ring. To get your own Llama Luma pom-pom maker and llama lassos, visit my shop at the link listed below. Thanks and happy pom-pom making!